So we wanna go into deep dive about the error handling. So what we have seen in the we have handling the error over here by the error boundary. So it will work as a wrapper for all the app, but it may happen this situation may happen for the products I wanna handle the error separately, like the layouts. Okay, as you know, we have the global layouts and page level layouts. So like that, it may happen or it may arises that we wanna handle the error in the page level. This is also possible. So let's see how can we do that. After completion of this video, you will get a good graphs. I'm pretty sure you will understand clearly. So in the say product page, I am creating some errors intentionally. Okay, so I am commenting the code and I am creating this error intentionally. I'm throwing the error. Already error is thrown. You see throw error product ID is missing. So if already it is showing that product ID is missing, but my aim is to show what the error page is rendering. Let's go. Something went wrong. Product ID is missing. It's rendering this global error page. Okay, something went wrong and the error message. But it's not our aim. Our aim is to show error in the page level. Okay, not the global. We can handle it separately. But I am showing you that if we don't have any error page in the page level, it will render the global or in the root level error page. Okay, like the layout. If you understand layout, this is almost same. I can guarantee, I can say you pretty sure that if you understand the layout, this is almost same. Okay, so let's handle the error for this page level or for this page. So I am declaring error.tsx. Okay, so in the page level I am creating a separate error page with different style and different everything. You see, of something went wrong, but in our error page it is saying what is the error page? This is the error page. Something went wrong. Okay, so we are handling it separately. So you will understand the difference a little bit later. So if I go of something went wrong. So can you got it? You got my point. We are handling errors separately. Okay, I'm going home page. Product of something went wrong. Okay, product is missing. So I hope you got my point. So my aim is to handle error like layout, handle errors separately. This is the global. If this page is missing, it will get the global error handling portion, error boundary. But if I create separately, it will get this individual one. It will share render its individual one. I hope you got my point. If you don't understand, let me know. So this is user friendly and the original error message is here. So it's a good user experience and handling error separately. So handling error is very handy, and as to be a seasoned developer, you have to know and have the control over the errors. So I can show you once again. I'm deleting the file once again. Where is my error? This is the error page. I'm deleting it, and now it will get my global error handling. It will something went wrong. So if I create separate page for error.tsx, and write separate error file, it will render the individual of something went wrong. So can you see the difference? So I'm pretty sure you got my point and you understand. So for error handling, we have another videos also in the next tutorial. So I hope you like the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned, stay connected. And I have a tremendous or very huge Udemy course with huge discount. If you like, you can check from the comment box. Okay, just below $10, $9.99. Okay, it's a huge course. Thank you very much. See you soon. A little bit announcement. You can get a tremendous and superb course. This is my course. MERN stack, Typescript, Ecommerce, Docker, RTKquery, and along with deploy. It's a nice and huge course. So its price is $44, but I can give you for my students, I can give it only $9. Okay, so it will last for 5 days, but you will get $9. If the course is needed, you can contact with me, just $9.99. Okay, so it's a super course, tremendous course. So you will able to learn a lot of things. You will get TypeScript, e-commerce, Docker, RTK query, and deployment. So it is built on React 9.18, Node.js 20, and role-based automatic redirect. So I will give the discount link and coupon code and course link in the description box. You can come and check, and don't hesitate to grab the course. Thank you very much.